I'm making one of the easiest, most impressive salmon dishes you can make at home. Honey garlic glazed salmon. It's sweet, it's sticky, it's garlicky, and you can make it in just under 15 minutes. And the sauce? It's incredible. Let's make our glaze. 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. And then you're gonna whisk all those together. Oil your pan. And put your salmon fillets skin side up and cook for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add our garlic and cook until fragrant. Flip your salmon over skin side down and cook an additional 3 minutes. Add your lemon slices. And your honey glaze. And you're going to cook this until it reduces about 1/3. And turn your heat down to a simmer. And there you have honey garlic glazed salmon. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider checking out the other ones on my channel and subscribing to help the channel grow. Until next time.